Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. Dear student, I hope you all are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Umme Kulsum Liza, Assistant Teacher of Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I will take a elementary science class for class 5. My today's topic is Chapter 9, Technology in Our Life. So let's get started. Okay. So I have summarized the chapter for you in the chart. The first topic is technology. What is technology? Technology is a practical application of science to solve the problems of our life. Technology uses to design products, tools and processes that improve the quality of human life. Scientific knowledge is applied to create technologies. Technology used in many fields such as education, medical care, communication and transportation. So in this topic we learned that technology is the practical application of science. Then relation and difference between science and technology. So what is the difference and relation? Science is the knowledge or study about the natural world. It is based on the facts learned through observation and experimentation to describe and explain natural phenomena. When scientists investigate and find answer, they follow scientific method that include the steps as shown. What these steps? These steps are, first one is observation. That means they first observe some things and then they question about it. Number 2, question. Then they do the hypothesis. Then number 4, experiment. The experiment that, and then the conclusion. So this is the scientific method. Then what is technology? Technology is the practical application of science, what we did before, and its knowledge is used for making technology. So we know that technology will be based on the application of science. Then they are related to each other. Science and technology have different purposes, but they are connected to each other. In the past, both not have a deep relationship. Scientists have discovered electricity and light. On the other hand, people have invented technologies to solve practical problems for improving their life. The 18th century was a period of great industrial revolution, particularly in the field of agricultural, manufacturing and transportation. Okay, so for example, I can say you, just like you feel thirsty and you need to drink a squash or a mango juice. What you have to do? You have to cut the mango pieces and then you have to squash it or blend it. If you use your hand, it will be time consuming. What you have to do then? You can use a blender machine. So think about it, a blender machine. A blender machine is made about a motor and then people modified it and they made a blender machine. Then you took the mango pieces and blend the mangoes and it will be a mango squash or mango juice. So here the motor is the invention of science and then people modified it and they make it to the blender machine. Here is the technology. So you can relate this that technology and science are related to each other. Okay. So the uses of technology in our life. There are so many sectors in our life where we can use the technology. The most important part is in agriculture. So see, technology in agriculture. People have developed different types of agricultural technology to meet the demand of food. Where they are? Number 1, mechanical technology. What is mechanical technology? People have invented agricultural tools such as shovel, spade, plug, etc. Now today people use agricultural machinery such as tractor, irrigation pump and threshing machine. It helps to produce lots of crops in the shortest period of time. But that means by using these mechanical tools, people have developed their methods in agriculture. Then number 2, chemical technology. In many crops, farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase the production. The fertilizer helps plants to grow well and produce more food. Chemicals are used to resist harmful pests and weeds and to grow more food. So that's the uses of chemical technology. Then the next one, the most important, biotechnology. I think that you are so familiar with that word. Biotechnology is a technology that uses living things to make new product for human welfare. For example, agricultural biotechnology is a way to make plants with special qualities which can more nutritious, resistant and productive. Just like scientists have invented some crops genes, and then they produce more productive and more in amount, which is resistant also. So that is the biotechnology. Then so we learned the uses or the relation of difference and science and technology. So we know that there are some bad effects and good effects in everything. So there are also negative effects of technology. What is that? Technology makes human life comfortable. However, it also can cause some problems. What are the problems? Number one, environment pollution, which is very dangerous for us and for our environment. What is it? Burning coal in power plants can cause air pollution. It can have negative effects on the environment such as global warming and acid rain. Chemical fertilizer and pesticides can cause soil and water pollution. So that is the environment pollution. Then weapons. Horrible application of science knowledge are the improvement of weapon technology like bomb, tanks or guns, which is very destroyed things in our life. Then the other negative effects. What is other negative effects? Sometimes technology turned to addiction. If we don't use TV, computer for productive work, it will waste our time. In these days, we use our technologies in various ways and we waste our time by using this, which is not good for us. So that was the topic for today. I think you have understood the topic. For your better learning, keep practicing at your home and learn the whole lesson. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.